Alright, let's talk about Kunongagong or Mount Agung. Site for many people it's like must have, or it's in a bucket list when you come to the Bali, or maybe it wasn't, but then there are so many people offering it and they saying, okay, have you ever been in a Agung? They say no, and then they encourage you to go there and try it out. But the thing is that people start comparing it with a Batur, and then they think, okay, I did a Batur, so most probably I can do this one as well. All the difference is that Batur is 1,700 meters tall and Agung is 3,030 meters. If you ever been going to the mountains, then you know that even 100 meters makes a big difference in the mountains. I mean vertical. Since 2017 I've been 9 times on a summit of Agung, so I can a little bit comment. There are 4 trails and 3 summits. There are 1 trail from Purapasar Agung, Selat, another one is from Purapasar Agung, Sebatan, the 3rd one is from Besaki, which I never did, and the 4th one is East Peak of Agung, or East Trail, which starts from the Kedampal. If you're not a serious hiker, it's better to not go East Trail, just simply because It's pretty tough. It's really tough. There is no trail at all. If you expect that there will be a trail, there is a trail, but you have to be really competent in searching for the trail, seeing it. If you're not that person, better don't go there. And there is no one lives around, no one will be able to help you. It's simply really wild, beautiful but really wild trail. Purapasaragong Selat, that's the trail where most people go. That's the trail where all the guides brings you, simply because it's the easiest one. It's the shortest one. It starts from 1,400 meters and goes all the way up to 2,970 meters. What you can expect when you're going there. So first of all, it's pretty intense hike, and even people who are pretty experienced into the mountains and hiking, they say it's pretty hard. If you never did any hikes before, so then I don't know. Of course no one can say you know, but most probably it's better to do some smaller hike before you go there, just to simply understand you are capable or not really for this attraction. I usually recommend people to try out some trails around Ahmed. We have Lempuyang Temple as well. There are actually 7 different trails around Lempuyang. There is one trail with 1,700 something steps. Just try out that. And if you feel strong, then just simply try Agung. Another recommendation from me is think about what you're gonna wear. Just remember, it's gonna be a pretty intense hike, and you're gonna sweat a lot. And that means that when you will get to the summit, where the temperature is about 10-12 degrees, sometimes 8 degrees, then you need something warm to wear up. I don't know, take a dry t-shirt, definitely some wind jacket or hoodie, something warm. The guys are they warming up their hands.
It's really cold here, but Martin, our hero.
How many degrees we have now?
12 or something.
12 or something. Another recommendation, if you've never been really in the mountains, please don't save the money on a guide and finally get lost on a mountain. It's so easy to get lost there. It looks like there are many trails. This one, is this one a trail? Yes, that's the trail, but that looks the same. And people get lost so often there. And finally, because of that, now there is a registration. So first you have to register, then they're gonna give you guide. And as advice, remember, this is the mountains and the weather can change so quick. Be prepared for that and take some raincoat, maybe, I don't know, some food if you have to stay and wait, because if there is a heavy rains in the mountains, all the water has to go down, right? And that all the slopes are really steep. They become really slippery and really soft. And that means that you cannot move anymore. You have to wait until this water runs away. Videos from all the hikes you can find into the description. Check out all of them. They are in order. I didn't film really 2017. That was a time when I wasn't really focused on all these videos. I just did it. I have some clips from there, but nothing really left from that times. If you will watch that videos, then some information I'm saying now you will hear again, but that's something which is really important, and I just want to keep people away from all the problems, and so that's why it comes up again and again. And you know, the best way to learn is repetition. Just repeat again and again, and then you remember better. And happy International Women's Day. All right, thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, like the video, because if you like them, so that means I become visible also for other viewers on YouTube. I'm trying to keep them really informative, and see you in the next one. Bye.